Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your Questrade Mortgage account. Questrade is an online brokerage firm and wealth management firm based in Canada. It is Canada's largest discount broker. So firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.questrade.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Questrade. Now on the top right corner of your screen, besides the open an account button, you'll be able to see the login button. Click on it and you'll be led to your login page. On this login page, you'll have to firstly enter your Questrade user ID and then your password. If in case you've forgotten your user ID, click on this Forgot Your User ID link, or if in case you've forgotten your password, you can click on the password link and follow through the process to retrieve either of your user ID or password. If you have entered both your credentials, all you'll have to do is click on the login button and you'll be successfully logged in to your Questrade Mortgage account. So it is that simple to log into your Questrade Mortgage account, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.